Hey everyone, Jay here with LMR. Today we'll be going over the steps to removing the factory roof rail moldings. You can use this video from anything such as basic maintenance of these parts if anything has become damaged, or prep and paint work like we are doing here. Follow along and we'll show you what's all involved. First, pull down and back to remove the pillar trim. Pull down and remove the headliner trim. And pull out on each end. Pull down and remove the weather strip. You will need to use a small trim removal tool on each end to remove the push pins. Using an 8mm wrench, remove the front rail bolt in the door jamb area. Now you can fully remove the weather strip channel from the vehicle. Next, remove all the remaining screws along the roof rail. With all the screws out, slightly lift the lower edge at the rear of the drip rail, then slide the rail downward to unhook the tab. With the rear free, slide the entire rail to the back of the car and unhook the 3 tabs beside the front glass. Guys, this was a simple one to do. Since we are doing the prep work for a future paint job, this was a needed step in our process. As always, like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.